So this is the Prayer Authority SOAP Journal, which stands for Scripture, Observation, Application, Prayer. You can click here to read today's reading. So it goes through the Bible in a year. You can change the chapter, load. You can also change it this way. You can change the book, load, and then you can click here, and then you'd right click on the bottom verse to say create new devotion from section. So then it automatically creates a new devotion here. You can type in what you observe. Alright, so that's got the verses here. You can also say add scripture. Add scripture, look up verse. Add a list. That adds it to the list. And then you can say save entry. This is entry saved. And now you can say my entries. And that shows the entries that are before, and you can say which ones show on community or not. So you can click unshow on community, and that turns it private. And then you go to community, and you can see that's no longer on there. Here's the community journal. And then you can go to my entries and see that shows all of them. You can say show on community. You go to community, and then there it is again. And then you can click on your SOAP journal. That's how you can search stuff. You can see your old ones, whether they're private or public. And then you can go to the reading plan, and that shows the verses for today. You just click this, and then it shows it here. And then you can create basically unlimited entries, and you could put it on private or public. Right here you can say create no devotion, deselect verse, add to existing devotion, and then when you click add to existing devotion, you can click that. It says verses added to that devotion. And you go down here to go to journal, and you can see that it adds it. And then we also have the whole Bible on here, as I mentioned, so you can click any verse, you can load it up, and yeah, that's how it works. So please check out prayerauthority.com/journal, and then you click here on the SOAP journal to load that up. And this is something that I've been doing for years, and I just wanted to make a public version of it so that other people can enjoy it as much as I do. So please check it out. You can sign up by going to create profile, and then you can just create the profile right here. And then you can also hit sign up with Google, and then that works. Alright, please check it out.